Can I?
It's recording.
Okay, let me just see. Alright, so I'm down a nature trail in Florida. Let's see if you can tell that there's water down there. I can't see on here too well when I'm looking. Right, where's the water? Am I holding it right?
Yes, you are. You're holding it now. You're holding it low. Hold it up more. Yeah.
Am I getting it now? I can't tell because of the sun glare.
There we go. Yeah, there's water right over there.
And now let me show. Yeah, it's just beautiful. So. So yeah, this is on our nature trail here. You can see we got some low hanging branches. Yep. But there's a creek now. I wouldn't go swimming in that. That water would be loaded with amoebas, snakes, and gators. But it's a nice, pretty, shady nature trail. This just gives you information about what you're looking at, and you can see that there's a lake down there. Well, it's a water creek. It's not really a lake, it's just a little. Whew. It's pretty. Whoop, I'll get my fingers out the way there. Anyway,